Hi there, this is Shubham Mittal. Today I am going to show you how to install TensorFlow GPU version 1.8 on Windows PC. So let's get started. First of all, we need to ensure some prerequisites before the actual installation of TensorFlow GPU on our PC. First and foremost, make sure that the GPU in our computer has CUDA compute capability greater than or equal to 3.0. We can check our GPU within the list of supported GPUs on the official website of NVIDIA. Just go to Google and type in CUDA compute capability check, and we will go to this CUDA GPUs list. It lists all the CUDA enabled GPUs, like I am having CUDA enabled GPU, GeForce GPU. Then we need to install CUDA Toolkit 9.0. You can simply search it by typing CUDA Toolkit 9.0. This will lead us to download CUDA Toolkit 9.0 download. Click on Windows OS, Windows 10. I am using Windows 10. You can choose any other according to your operating system. Windows 10, and then download the exe local file. This is showing a base installer and two patch installers. We need to download all the three, so I am downloading it. I will pause the video till the downloads get completed. Now the downloads are complete. I will quickly go to the downloads folder. So this is 1.33 GB file. I will click upon it. This is the base installer. The total installation time of this installer is something between 15 to 30 minutes. It will take time because it is quite heavy. The installation procedure is pretty much straightforward. Click on OK. This will extract the files to the computer. Agree and continue. Click on Express installation. We will install patch 1. Okay, now that we have installed CUDA 9.0 toolkit, we are going to install CUDNN 7.0. Search in Google for CUDNN 7.0. Go to the CUDNN archive and we are going to download CUDNN 7.0.5 for CUDA 9.0. I am going to download for Windows 10. You can download according to your OS. So we have downloaded the archive. I am going to this download folder. I am going to extract it here only. Now this is the extracted file CUDA. Go to the bin folder and copy this DLL file. Then go to the installation directory of CUDA Toolkit 9.0. I have installed it in my C drive. I am going to C drive, then program files, NVIDIA GPU Computing Toolkit, CUDA version 9.0, bin, and just paste that file here. Click on continue. That's it. We have added the functionality of CUDNN to our PC. Fine. We have completed till now the CUDA Toolkit installation and CUDNN installation. Okay. Now we are going to install TensorFlow 1.8. Go to the Anaconda command prompt. First of all, update Conda by typing Conda update Conda. Proceed. Then type in Conda create. We are going to create a Conda environment, new Conda environment. Let's name that environment as TF18 because we are going to install TensorFlow 1.8, and the Python version I'll be using it Python 3.6, and the package is pip. Click on yes. So the environment is successfully created. Now activate this environment by typing in activate TF18. So we are now in the environment. Now inside the environment, issue the pip command, pip install, ignore installed, upgrade TensorFlow GPU. This will download the latest version of TensorFlow GPU using pip. I have already installed one version in another environment, that's why I am having a cached version, but it is around 80 MB file. It will take 5 minutes to download on your PC. See, it is using cached wheel file. This is TensorFlow GPU 1.8. So now the TensorFlow GPU has been installed successfully. Let's check the installation. We will quickly open up the Python interpreter by typing in Python. Let's write the code. Import TensorFlow as TF. Okay, we have imported the TensorFlow. Now we will check the version of TensorFlow. by typing in tf dot underscore underscore version underscore underscore. So it is showing 1.8.0. Let's do a simple test code on TensorFlow. Let's create constant name hello. Hello is equal to tf dot constant and says hello world with tf dot session as sesh and sesh dot run hello. So it is detecting the GPU on my PC, adding visible GPU devices. Okay, it says hello world. It means we have installed our TensorFlow successfully and it is working upon the GPU. Fine. My GPU is having compute capability 15.0. Okay. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe if you liked my video. Thank you.